Kylie Jenner shared with followers her 5-minute makeup routine from private jet. The mom of Stormi Webster, 5, and Air Webster, 1, wore her hair slicked back into a bun. As she got ready from the cabin of her private jet, Kylie showed off the various products she used to go from fresh face to red carpet ready. Over the years, the reality TV star has faced scrutiny over her changing looks, with heavy emphasis on her plumped-up lips and the lies surrounding her pout. The star has been slammed for lying about having fillers before confessing the truth and making millions from her Kylie lip kits.